Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great.
Hello everybody, it is Zoe and welcome back to a new video on my channel and Merry Christmas! Woo! It is currently the 22nd of December, but we are going away on Christmas Day, so we wanted to make sure we had time to do all of our good old Christmassy traditions. So we opened all of our presents this morning and I will be showing you guys what I got for Christmas. I'm so thankful. I actually got some things that I really was not expecting. One of them being a new phone, which is very exciting. We're actually going to go right now to get said phone. That's a perk of doing Christmas a little bit early, I guess, is the stores are still open. But I'm actually going to get an iPhone 12, so I have to go in and switch out my phone for that. I was not expecting that at all. I literally asked for a new phone case and was like, haha, maybe a new phone, because I knew, like, I've had this one for a long time and it turned out I was due for an upgrade, so they surprised me and got me a new, or will be getting me a new phone. Okay, it's quite a lot later in the day now. We went to AT&T to go get me my new phone, but they didn't have the one I wanted. They didn't even have any of the 12 Pro in stock. You had to order it. So we were gonna try ordering one. It wasn't the color that I wanted, but it's fine. But it was gonna deliver while we were away, so we couldn't do that. We're just gonna order it at home at some point. It's fine. So I didn't wind up getting a new phone today, but I will be getting a new phone, which is still very exciting, so I'm very happy with that. It's fine if there's a bit of a wait. I have no qualms with that. We just spent the afternoon watching a bunch of like Christmas specials and things like that. So we watched the Lego Star Wars holiday special, which is actually quite funny, and then we watched the Nutcracker in the Four Realms, which is also pretty good. And yeah, it's almost time for dinner, which is very exciting because I'm very hungry.
I got a packet of crisps. And your wine. Oh, go on.
Okay, well, that's good enough.
Fish very often.
To move to a different
I'm very
state.
disappointed with you.
Cathil.
Anybody want to?
If a cow laughed, would milk come out of her nose?
No. It'll come out of the ladders. Merry Christmas, guys.
Okay, it's a lot later now. It's like almost 7. We just went on a walk after we finished eating our Christmas dinner, which was so good. I'm absolutely stuffed. Like, oh, I'm so tired from it. But we're gonna watch a movie now. I think we're gonna watch Star Wars, since we watched a lot of like holiday-ish movies earlier and last night. And we're going to Disney in a couple days, so we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios there, and they have the Star Wars stuff there. So we're gonna go watch that in the movie room. I'm gonna get in my pajamas because I've been in this dress all day, which is very, I mean, I like this dress a lot. It's actually pretty comfy, but I want to be completely comfy for this, you know. It's a couple days, well actually like a week after I filmed the first half of this video of like Christmas Day and stuff, but I told you guys in the video that I was going to show you what I got for Christmas. So I put on my Christmas sweater so I can get all Christmassy again and show you guys exactly what I got this year for Christmas. So let's get started. Just like to do a little disclaimer here and say that I'm so thankful for everything that I got. I'm so overwhelmed by how kind everybody is and all the things that I get for Christmas, how wonderful my family is, and I just hope that however you celebrated Christmas, if you're celebrating the holidays, that you enjoyed the day and that you could get some of that festive cheer and just give yourself a pat on the back for getting through this year, because we're so close to being done. With that, let's go ahead and start with what I got. So first of all, I actually got an iPhone 12 Pro, but because we need to like upgrade my phone and I want to like trade it in and stuff, and I want a specific color, I don't have it yet because we had to order it. Next, from my grandma, I got some Nike Air Force One shoes, which I'm so excited about. Here they are. They're so nice and white and just like clean, and I've been needing a new pair of like sneakers for a while because I've been wearing some Adidas for like years, and so I just really needed a pair of shoes. So I was very grateful for that. Next, I got some toys, literally toys, which I love. So first of all, my dad and I actually both got this to share. It's just like a wooden mechanical model of a U9 Grand Prix car, which I cannot wait to assemble this. If you guys have been watching my channel, then you'll know that I'm a mechanical engineering major. I love this kind of thing. I love Lego. I like putting things together. So this will hopefully be a lot of fun. I'm pretty sure it like moves. But yeah, it's so detailed. You can like see all the like pistons and suspension, and I'm just like, it's gonna be so fun to make. I also got the game Twister. I love this game, and I have been going on at my parents about how much I want to play this game for so long. I didn't put it on like a Christmas list or anything. Like, I just like, it's one of those things that I'm like, oh, I wish we had Twister. Like, I would beat you all at Twister. That'd be so fun. So I got Twister, and I cannot wait to beat my parents at Twister. Next, I got a calendar. I get a calendar every year. It's one of my favorite traditions. This is just Wonders of the Planet Earth. It's got a whole bunch of pictures of different places, including Iceland, which is kind of cool because like I've been there now. Next, I got a bra because I needed one, and then I got some gloves from my gran and granddad. They're very soft and cozy, and I can't wait to use these for the winter time. I also got a really nice pair of bamboo socks from my aunt and uncle. I already tried these on. They're so soft and cozy. I can't wait to wear these. I also got a little Villanova ornament. Every year my mom gets us ornaments, so this is this year's ornament for me. I got a little flamingo makeup bag, which I think is adorable. So when you open it up, it's like not a zip or anything. Oh, okay. It just kind of opens up to be like flat. And it has like a little zipper inside, so it can hold a whole bunch of things. From another one of my aunts, I got this little storage basket, which I think is just adorable. I love these colors together. I think she made it, to be honest. So this is 100% recycled. So it's all made out of old t-shirts, and I love this. I just think this is such a clever idea. And the fact that it's just made out of t-shirts, like, isn't that crazy? That's so cool. Of course, I got a Cadbury selection box and a flake and chocolate. I got a lot of chocolate. I've eaten most of it. I got this nice little keepsake. I've been getting these basically every year since like 2010, I believe. So I have a whole decade downstairs, and now we just started a new decade. This is a really cute little sweet decade. I also got this Glow to Go makeup palette from Clinique, and it also came with some mascara. I actually really like the colors on here. Next, I got a fancy toothbrush. My whole family decided to get these Quip toothbrushes. It's like metal, and it has a timer. It like vibrates and stuff. Here is the actual toothbrush. It's really cool. You can like stick this on the mirror or take it off or whatever. And here's the actual toothbrush, and it will vibrate for 2 minutes exactly, so you know exactly how long you're brushing your teeth for. And it's just like really nice. You change the top every couple of months. Like I said before, we were actually at Disney on Christmas Day, so we did most of our Christmas stuff before we left, but I actually got a gift card for Disney on Christmas Day, which was really nice, and I used it to buy this shirt. This is just a Spirit jersey from Disney. It's all sparkly and blue, and it just says Walt Disney World on the back. I got a lot of books, which I'm very happy about because books are expensive, so I really appreciate getting these. Look at them all. First of all, I got the next 3 books in the Throne of Glass series by Sarah J. Maas. So I've already read the first 2, Throne of Glass and Crown of Midnight. So I got the next 3 here. I got Queen of Shadows, Heir of Fire, and Empire of Storms. I've recently really fallen in love with Sarah J. Maas's books. I think they're so good. I read A Court of Thorns and Roses and that whole series over the summer for a second time actually. The first time I read them I didn't really like them, but I really liked them the second time reading them through, and so I'm very excited to keep on reading these. Like I said, I've already read the first 2, but I'll probably reread them because I read them a while ago. And then I also got Chain of Gold by Cassandra Clare. This is actually the collector's first edition apparently, so that's fun. I love the cover of this book. I love Cassandra Clare's writing. I don't know if you can see, all of my Cassandra Clare books are on that shelf right there, and I'm running out of room, so I don't want to tell her to stop writing, but I might need more bookshelves. Okay, that was everything that I got for Christmas. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, it's not to brag. I love watching these videos. I find them so fun. I'm very thankful for everything that I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and comment below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!